and I am coming to you today with a mini product review. I don't do these quite often, but I decided let me try to step out of my Cantu Curling Cream box and try a different type of curling cream. And I also just wanted these mini twists in my head, which are beautiful. I love them. They're a little hard right now, but they'll loosen up with showers and steam, and with me spraying water on them in the morning to actually make them fall back into place and go and fall straight. So I do have to go and get me some hair jewelry to decorate it, and then I can start putting like cute little styles in it. But I love these. So let me tell you what I use. Let me see what this is. The African Pride Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturized and Defined Curling Cream. It gave me these really cute, well actually I put my twist in and then I use this product on my hair. But my hair is, like I said, it is hard right now, but it'll loosen up within probably about 2 or 3 days. I ended up putting the oil on my hair after the end. So I washed it yesterday and pretty much left chunky twists in my hair so that my hair would be straight. Usually when I try this style, my hair is maybe right here. But y'all find a picture and attach it or post it on here so you can see. So this time I decided to actually let my hair dry because it's usually damp when I do these twists. So I actually let my hair dry. I came today and twisted it. I used a comb on some parts, but I finger parted most of the way. So don't mind my parts. They're all different sizes, probably medium sizes. But this is so cute. Let me turn around. So yes, medium parts. I love these because look, I love the ends. I coil the ends of my hair and it is really stiff instead of twisting all the way down, and it just really looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it's really cute with the coils at the end and not being twisted all the way down. In the back, I do have some pieces that are longer. I think it was like the first 3 pieces that I did. They are a little bit longer than the rest of them. So I just wet them with some water to try and shrink them up with the length of the rest of my hair. That is why I love these twists. Even if I have some that are longer, you just kind of wet them and then it will eventually shrink back up, because who doesn't love shrinkage? I'm not going to prolong this video. Continue watching and you will see how I achieve these beautiful mini twists, and then I will give my product review at the end. of struggled with this product. Okay, first of all, I don't know if I like the smell. I mean, it's shea butter and flaxseed oil. I really don't know what flaxseed oil smells like, but this is a really different smell. I guess maybe I'm biased and I'm used to my Cantu Curling Cream and I have my tropical coconut smell going on with my hair, but this is really different. And usually with my mini twists, I would use my Kinky Curling Custard, which also makes my hair hard, but then like I said, as I shower and steam hits my hair, it loosens up my hair and it has my hair soft as ever. And then I always pull my twist apart before it gets frizzy and pretty much do a twist out with it or wear it in a twist out. So I would just pull these apart once they get old. So it's like a 2-in-1 style. Back to this product review because I'm just all over the place. I don't think I like this. For one, I don't like the smell of it. I can deal with it, but I just don't like the smell of it. As you can see throughout the video, for some reason my hair was kind of drying out like really fast, even after I applied the water to it and then the product. So some of my coils at the end were just straight, and I had to actually spray water on. This is like a glue. This is my opinion, this is how I feel. This product is like a glue for some reason, and I don't know, that just kind of made me kind of not want to use this again, but I paid for it. And maybe just because this is style, and maybe because my hair was initially dry and then I mean it's still wet though, so I don't know. I don't think I like this product. I will try it again because I'm not just gonna try it one time and then say that it's a definite no. So I will try it again. Other than the smell and it kind of being like really sticky, if you have tried the Kinky Curly custard, that also gets sticky. But I guess that's different because it's a custard, so you would think that it is supposed to be sticky compared to this, which is a cream. And I'm just like, why is it getting so sticky? And it's kind of making my hair like I'm rubbing glue on it, and it's just supposed to stay straight rather than curl up and form its curl with the water. So the way I did these twists, I only sprayed water on the ends of my hair because I didn't want this part to shrink up. I didn't want the top of the twist to shrink up. I just wanted the ends to coil up. I only sprayed water on that part. Maybe that had something to do with why it was just like so gunky and I mean, my hair is not sticky now at all. I have rubbed oil on it, actually sprayed it with more water once I got done, and then rubbed oil throughout my head, and then I have oiled my scalp. And it's okay, it's just this in the moment of applying this product to my hair, it was just really getting really sticky, and I don't understand why, because my Cantu Curling Cream does not do that. It is a cream and it does not dry that fast. I'm trying to think of all the factors that could have had a part in why my hair was drying so fast. I did have the heater on, but my goodness, it is not 100 degrees in here, so it is not that hot to be drying out my section of hair that fast. So that's why in the video you notice I am spraying the end before I coil my hair, because I don't want to damage my ends. So I'm spraying it with water so that I am able to coil it with my finger. So the last thing about this product, I went to go wash my hands and I literally had to scrub. Like, I washed it with hand soap, of course, soap, and it turned like wherever I had the product on my hand at, it pretty much turned my hand white. So I had to go get some soap, like Dove soap, and actually scrub my hands to get this product off, along with my finger coil brush. So I will leave the picture of that somewhere or post it along here somewhere. That's just weird to me. Like, what if somebody put product? What if somebody put glue in my product? Y'all know what? I would be so mad. I would be livid, because you know these are not sealed in any way. You can pretty much open these in the store and get it off the shelf. That's why I like to dig in the very back to get whatever item it is that I'm getting. So anyway, that is my review. Would I use this product again? Yes, I would. I just don't like it for the simple fact of the sticky residue that it left on my hands and my styling tool. And that is just weird to me because I have not had that happen. I know the Kinky Curly custard gets sticky, but I mean, it's a custard. It is supposed to do that. So I will try it again, maybe not with this hairstyle, maybe with a twist out, and see if that does any different in my hair or if it still gets sticky. But that is my review. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.